Let's talk about how to convert our Instagram account into a business account. Once you open your Instagram account, on the lower strip you will find 5 icons. The rightmost icon is your own photograph, your DP which you have put. So click on that. Your grid page will open up. On the top right you can see 3 lines. Click on those 3 lines. A box will open up. In this, on the bottom there is a circle and it is written settings. Click on settings. On the 7th option there is account. Click on account. Scroll down, there will be a blue sentence written switch to professional account. Click on professional account. It will give you an option to convert your personal account into professional account for free. Continue. These are all the options which will be given, the benefits which will be given. Now you have to create decide a category. So I am deciding, let's say, digital creator. Do you want to show to the people that you are a digital creator? If yes, then select this button and done. It's asking, do you really want to switch it to business account? Press OK. It will process your request and then you will get 2 options, business or creator. So here we will select business and then it will ask your details. Write down your correct email ID and correct phone number and then connect to Facebook. This is optional, but it is required if you want to post from Instagram and you want it to be posted on Facebook also. Even if you want to connect it with some social media managers or any shopping or promotional tools, it is mandatory to connect your Instagram account with your Facebook. For now, I am skipping this part. So once you do that, now you can find your insights and promotion. You can see the grid pattern has changed now. There are insights given for the post. Also you can edit your profile like this and you can promote your post.